your guardian of high-quality air in hotel rooms. In the realm of hospitality, where every detail contributes to the guest experience, the air quality is an unseen amenity that can make a stay truly memorable. Desire, with a decade of mastery in crafting detection equipment and testing instruments, introduces a solution that's as essential as a turn-down service. Their commitment to delivering high-quality, high-performance laboratory apparatus is unparalleled, and their OEM customization options ensure that every hotel can offer an atmosphere that's as welcoming as the lobby. The Hotel Air Indoor Co-arm Monitor is more than just a tool. It's a promise of a comfortable, healthy environment for every guest. With its advanced technology and user-friendly design, it helps maintain an atmosphere where every place supports the feeling of being at home, away from home. Imagine a hotel room where the air is as soothing as the plushest bed.